Hello, my name is Alyssa Maraskin, and today I'll be conducting an experiment removing the rust from pennies. And so today I'll be demonstrating an experiment where I will clean off the rust off of pennies using common household items such as the vinegar and water and salt in pennies. And we will explore the chemical reactions involved and understand why this method works. So the materials that we'll need today, we'll need pennies, which I have right here. And then we will have water that I will use from this bottle. I will have salt. And then I will have a bowl to put the pennies into in the mixture. And then just a spoon for mixing it. And so today, if the acidic properties of vinegar combined with the salt mixed with the pennies, then the combination will effectively remove the rust off of them. And so I will be conducting an experiment like this. So I will be filling the bowl with half a cup of vinegar. As you can see here. Okay. And then I will be adding 1 teaspoon of salt. All right, and then I will I'll stir it until the salt fully dissolves. All right, it is dissolved, and then I will place the pennies into the bowl. So as you can see, I'll show you how my pennies look before. So they're pretty rusty. All right, and then I will be placing these into the bowl, and we will wait about 10-15 minutes, and we'll see how they look after. And then afterwards, we will rinse them with water. All right, so it has been about 10 minutes later, and we have seen from our observations that on the surface of the pennies, there have been some bubbles, as you can see from this picture here. And then this view, I will show you inside of the vinegar as well. The water there is still in there, and then I will take them out, and then I have a little bit of paper towels that I've soaked in the water to then scrub off or wipe off the rust and to show a bit clearer. So we'll take this one here. So we'll put some water on there, and as you can see, it is significantly clearer. And with the water, it is much clearer than it was before, as you can see. With these other pennies as well, they are significantly clearer. I'll just rinse off the pennies with this water from the paper towel. All right. So, so these are just a couple of the pictures from before and after. So this was one of the dirtier pennies that was very dirty, and then afterwards this is a much cleaner penny. So the cleaning process occurs due to the acetic acid in the vinegar reacting with the salt to form a weak hydrochloric acid and copper chloride. The acid helps dissolve the copper chloride or rust on the surface of the penny, and the chloride ions help in cleaning the surface more effectively. And this is the reaction that takes place. So it's copper oxide and hydrochloric acid will make copper chloride and water. So a little bit further into the reaction. So acetic acid in vinegar. The vinegar contains acetic acid, which is a weak acid. When salt chloride is added to vinegar, it dissociates into sodium ions and the chloride ions in the solution. The formation of the hydrochloric acid, the chloride ions from the salt react with the hydrogen ions from the acetic acid to form hydrochloric acid. This is a stronger acid that helps in the cleaning process. Then the reaction with copper oxide. Pennies are primarily made of copper. Over time, the copper reacts with oxygen in the air to form copper oxide, which is rust. The hydrochloric acid reacts with the copper oxide on the pennies in the following way, like I've shown before. So copper oxide plus hydrochloric acid will be copper chloride with water. This reaction dissolves the copper oxide, effectively cleaning the surface of the penny. The role of the copper chloride. The product of this reaction, copper chloride, is soluble in water and washes away when you rinse the pennies. This leaves the pennies looking cleaner and shinier. So this experiment demonstrates how common household items like vinegar and salt can be used to clean rust from pennies through a simple chemical reaction. And then this is just one of the cleaner pennies. Thank you so much and have a great day.